Another day, another story. The only book you need to become self-sufficient on 1/4 acre. Take advantage of our 40 years experience living off the grid and turn your home into a self-sufficient homestead. We would like to share with you all the projects we made here in our small paradise in minute detail so that you can start implementing them on your land or in your house and profit for the rest of your life. We'll also cover subjects in depth such as water, food preservation, off-grid power, medicinal garden, you name it. We want to put in your hands helpful how-to illustrations, easy to follow, step-by-step advice, brilliant tips, and ingenious time savers. From all the projects you'll find in the self-sufficient backyard, I'm pretty sure you'll find some that are suitable for your property. We've created what may well be the most comprehensive, step-by-step system to transform a regular homeowner or apartment dweller into an independent, self-sufficient homesteader. How to make a cheap water collection system. The 7 herbs you need in your medicinal garden. How to set up your backyard hybrid electricity system at a low cost and produce your own electricity. 24-hour bio-insect control system. No pesticides in your backyard. The handy beehive, grab your honey jar directly from the hive. The plant you can grow in tiny indoor spaces year-round for an extra income. 100+ tips to save money that many people are paying needlessly right now. The perpetual mini tower that turns every kitchen scrap you throw out into free and nutritious fertilizer for your plants. 50+ chicken coop secrets for a low-effort organic protein source. The ultimate seed collection and preservation guide. How to preserve everything your tiny homestead produces just like our grandparents, without electricity. This was just a glimpse of what you'll find in the self-sufficient backyard, for the independent homesteader. With this knowledge, you can transform from an honest homeowner into an independent, self-sufficient person that has an extra income and doesn't owe anybody a thing. You will not be troubled with what happens to the world around you, because everything you need is where it should be, on your property. Thanks for watching.